course of grade 9 math, and basically, this is what we will be talking about. There are three topics in this course. We will be talking about what are algebraic sentences, what are their degrees, and our next topic will be identities. I will be talking and telling you about six identities, six important identities, and then after that we'll be talking about non-equations. No, yeah, non-equations. And yeah, that's what we will be talking about. But right now, let's talk about what are sentences in algebra. Now, when you let me just erase this one. So it's if you want to have a sentence in a algebra, you need to know that first of all, x is our number. All any of our numbers are x. Okay, so that's that. It has to be multiplied by. Okay, so in every single algebraic sentence that we have, the main thing is x here. Now, why is it? First of all, x needs to be multiplied by a real number. So if it's radical, if it's a decimal, if it's pi, it doesn't matter. It has to be a real number that multiplies with x. Now, another important thing is the power that the x has needs to be a arithmetic number. So basically that means we won't have any fractions. X won't be in any cases x will never be our denominator. Now here are some examples. So absolute value will never be a basically will never be a sentence because first of all it's well, it's not a because. First of all, it's there's no so I mean we have this, all right, but absolute value isn't a real number, so that's like the main reason. Another reason, radical x. Why this isn't a number? Well, this is because x in this case is to the power of a half. So because of that, x isn't a number. So this is a number. And another reason why this isn't a number, so I said about this, but I'm going to say it again. But let me write rid of x. So why 1x isn't a number? It's because x is basically, so this equals to x to the power of -1, as I said in our last part. So this isn't a algebraic sentence. Okay, so yeah. Now how do we split algebraic sentences? We split them with any multiplication or no, not multiplication. Sorry, any addition or in decreation, and decrease when we're decreasing or we're increasing. So, for example, this is a best example for it. Now, about this sentence I just wrote, how do we find a degree? Now, degrees in algebra means that what is the maximum number of the greater power. For example, So the maximum number and the maximum degree of x in this sentence is x to the power of 6, not x to the power of 2. So we write x to the power of 6, which we just write 6. Now, what is a degree of 9? That means the maximum number of the greater power of 9. Y will be the answer 5. Now, what about z? Z will be 7 since there's only one z. And all of them, so in this case, you have to just add all of these together, so it's 11, 18. So, yeah, that's how you have degrees. Now, this is the first topic. It was easy to talk about it. Now, the next part. This is the most important part of this entire course, so I would love to have all of your attentions in this part. So, identities. Now, I think there's 18 identities in math. The difference between an identity and equations is that when you have an equation, you'll only get one answer. All right, but when you have identities, or I don't know what you guys say it in English, but I think it's called identities. Now in identities, you'll get to have infinite number of answers. But if it's for equations, you'll only get to have only one answer. Now about equations, next topic will be about equations. Well, right now it's about identities. Now, identities. Identity number one. Just something I need to make sure. These are in Greek alphabet. So yeah. Identity number one. Let me write it here. Let me write it bigger. A plus b squared, which equals to a2 plus b2 plus 2ab. That's how you write that's identity one. Usually, sometimes they give you this part and want you this part. Sometimes, most of the time, it's this part. So when they ask you a question, they mostly give you this part of the question, and they'll ask you to make it this way. Now, this is the easiest identity that we got. Now the next one. The next one is this. A plus b plus c squared. Okay, you'll have a2 plus b2 plus c2 plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. I think that's how you do it. Okay, yeah, so that's how you write them. So let me just identity 3 will be, so this is what identity 3 is. A minus b, a plus b, which equals to a2 minus b2. Alright, now if you multiply these guys, you will understand why it's that. Now, identity 4. Sorry, yeah, 4. It's x plus a, x plus b, which equals to x squared and plus x a plus b plus ab. This is that. Now, this one. This one is a plus b cubed, which equals to a to the power of 3 plus 3a to the power of 2b plus 3a b to the power of 2 plus plus b3. Okay, now if you do this like 3 times, so let me write these here. So I'm gonna, where is it? No, not this. So I will write these, how these are basically made. So this is our second one. So this, no, yeah. No, that's not how you write it. And this one. this one is this funniest part. How is that? So this is how we write this. A plus B and A2 plus I think it's 2AB. Wait, pause. No. Sorry. It's minus AB plus B2, which eventually this equals to A3 plus B3. Yeah, so now, no, I'm not gonna write this one, because it's pretty obvious. Well, I'm gonna write these guys. And for this, it's simple multiplication, so I don't need to do anything for it. Although, it would be fun to do it. So, now, let me just... okay. So, ow. So, no, sorry. Okay, now I think it was this one, yeah. So, A minus B plus A plus B. Now, how does this one work? So, you have no, wait, let me. So this is what happens. So you get A2, and then you have A2, then you have plus AB, and then you'll get minus AB, and then you get minus B2, and these guys cancel out each other, which equals to A2 minus B2. That's for that. Okay. Now, for this one. What is so x plus A, x plus B equals to. Now, why is this? So first of all, so this is how it works. So x. So you get x squared plus xb plus ax. No, it's not ax. xa plus ab. Now you factor from this. You factor in x, then you'll get a plus b. And at the end you'll have x squared plus a plus ab. That's how it works. Now, the fourth. What was it? A plus b. Okay. So eventually, this is what you'll get. A plus b, a plus b, and a plus b. Okay. These two are this. Okay. So technically, you already have this. Why? The difference between that, this is a 2 and this is a 3 is because there's 3 of them, okay? That's why. Now, the easier way is, first of all, my way is you write one A3 here and B3 here, although that's a small place, okay? Let me draw it better. No, that was right. A plus B, A plus B, I'm gonna write it here. Okay. So you get this is how it works. And also, yeah, it's like that. So first of all, I get an A3 here plus. Now, there's an AB, but the difference is that, first of all, there's 3 ABs in this area. So you write 3 ABs. Now, here's the catch. Because this is A2, so A is multiplied by 2 of these, you'll just have A2 B1, okay, plus same thing, except instead of writing 3A2B, you write 3AB2, and then plus B3. That's how it works. Now, if I want to write this whole thing, it will take like a half of a page. Now, I didn't. Now this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one because it's gonna be fun. So I hope you guys like know this. So identity. I can't explain this whole thing except not this one. I don't know. I feel bad for it. Let me write. No, it's good. Yeah, it's good. So y a plus b a2 now this is this, but I want to prove to you how it works. First of all, so let me. Okay, so that's simple. Now here's how it works. A3, and then you get negative A2B, and then you get plus AB2. And then yeah, so plus A2B plus, minus AB2 and plus B3. I think that's right. Yeah. So negative A2B goes with positive A2B, so that cancels that. Now negative AB2 cancel out this, so eventually at the end you'll have A3 plus B3, which now as for now let's explain the last one, the simplest one. So now this one. 6. Okay, y is a plus b squared equals to this. It's because this is a plus b, which is equals to a2 plus ab plus ab plus b2, which then equals to, which proceeds to be a2 plus 2ab plus b2. And that's how this works. Let me get the camera. Yep. So yeah, this is how all of this works. It took me 20 minutes to explain, but here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you share and subscribe. I may have finished this part, but there will be two more topics to basically this subject, this course. Our next topic will be how to simplify algebraic sentences. This is one of those ways, but I'm going to show you two other ways. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you share and subscribe, and click that like button, and see you later, alligators. Bye bye, guys.